If the Python state at time t is as follows, where line is I, tab is j, and the control map is cm, and the statement at line I and tab j is else, and the value at j in map cm is equal to the pair if true, then the Python state at time t plus 1 is as follows. Line is increased by 1, but the tab stays the same, and the control map is still cm. Let's take a look at an example. Python first evaluates the if statement test. Since 3 is equal to 3, the if test is true. Python enters and executes the if body at line 2, tab 1. At time 9, the current line is 3, current tab is 1, the variables map contains a, and the control map contains the key 0 and the value if true. There is a statement at line 3, tab 0. Since the current tab, which is 1, is greater than the statements tab, which is 0, LWPython decreases the current tab and executes the else statement. Since the control map contains the value if true at tab 0, the corresponding if test was true. Thus, Python is going to increment the current line, but keep the current tab the same. There is a statement at line 4, tab 1, but since the current tab is 0, Python is going to skip this statement.